GameStop got a breakout up 7% today. Yes, call premium, net call premium is exploding. Over $6 million worth of call premium coming in, 6.14 million, and the number continues to rise as the day goes on. The IV is moving up, the implied volatility on GameStop. And if you don't like it, GameStop is trending. So I don't know what to tell you. GameStop is number one on StockTwits right now over speculation of a renewed short squeeze. StockTwits is an account with over 1.1 million followers, and it's probably going to be trending on Wall Street Bets over the weekend. GameStop is up 6.25%. Came all the way up to almost $27, and we are officially getting a breakout out of this ascending resistance that we have been watching and rejecting off of. We rejected off of this resistance back in October. We rejected off of this resistance back in February, and we rejected in April, but now GameStop has had enough, and we are coming to the point where we're going to come up to those conversion levels. And the last time GameStop traded this similar amount of time pressing up against this resistance was back here. And when we broke it and closed above was when Roaring Kitty came back and posted on X. And now we are getting that break above and close above today. As long as we close above 26, it's looking beautiful. Why is that looking beautiful? Well, I'm going to run you through a couple of different charts. But not only that, gamma ramp, gamma squeeze. A gamma ramp and gamma squeeze pushing us from 26, a weekly close at 26, towards that gap at 29 makes it more and more hard for short sellers to keep this thing down. It makes it harder for market makers, or bondholders I should say, to delta hedge against the market makers who are also delta hedging with these calls that are getting carried in the money. So you have this pressure cooker between 26 and 29 bucks, and it's going to be a very exciting time to see. Now, the end of these 154-day cycles lead us to a period where we can possibly see a rally higher, and right now we are right at that end of that sequence as well. Now, on a different chart, we broke above another key level, these ascending support and ascending resistance levels, these parallel channels. You can see that GameStop finally broke out of this level. Now, this same buildup that GameStop is having of higher highs and higher lows is a very similar buildup GameStop loves to do, and loved to do like it did back before the January 2021 short squeeze. But on top of that, it makes it more exciting because it's playing out a very similar pattern to before Roaring Kitty came back in May of 2024. All of this also aligns with what we just recently talked about, the carry trade unwind. Bank of Japan just tightened their policy once again, saying that they were going to hike in June and hike later again in the year, which puts more pressure on the carry trade, which puts more pressure on swaps, on these total return swaps, these basket swaps that likely include GameStop. These likely have to get unwind. Along with all of that, the market is likely in a short squeeze currently as we speak, as we see it, and GameStop has lagged behind its not necessarily competitors, but its friends, I will say, in the same basket like AMC, BlackBerry, and several others. GameStop has not moved, and it is likely the best company out of all of these. Now, on this chart as well, the flag chart, the flag pattern that we have been covering on this channel, GameStop finally got a breakout, but a clean breakout. I mean, look at where this candle formed and look at it shooting straight up. So a close above 26 is beautiful. We have 25 minutes left. We're likely going to see that. A close above 26.60 is even better. We have more resistance, support and resistance levels right here. The next level we're watching after this close is $28.35, and we're going to be paying very, very close attention to that. Again, if I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, net call premium exploded over $6 million at 6.14 million. IV is moving up on GameStop, and GameStop is trending over on StockTwits, and we're going to have to watch and pay very close attention over on Reddit to see if there's anything here, anything that's going on. And what makes this even more fun is that there's not necessarily a catalyst. There's nothing that you can find that gives an excuse for GameStop's 7% move today, which just makes it all the better, right? That just means that somebody probably knows something, or something is uncontrollable, right? And both of those scenarios are good for the bulls. Now, this also comes right before AMC has earnings Tuesday after close. Let's not forget about AMC. They likely move in tandem most of the time, although GameStop has kind of depegged itself from a lot of these plays. AMC reports Tuesday after close. We can't forget about it. And it has come down perfectly to this channel right here, right? And is building a base at where we said we are okay with AMC coming to, which is $1.40. We said GameStop was okay coming down to 24.20. We got both of those bases, and GameStop is leading the pack right now. So again, don't forget about AMC. And also, don't forget about Unity, ticker symbol U. It's up 2.7%. I grabbed a lotto call on this along with my GameStop call options because I'm curious to see if this will get a breakout alongside GameStop, and I wouldn't doubt that to possibly be the case. Again, guys, I appreciate the love and support you guys show on this channel. Make sure to like the video on your way out, share this video, and get hyped in the comments down below for GameStop being up another 7%. And if you're making money, drop a comment down below and join the Discord. Guys, get in the Discord. It's the top link in the description, or the top 2 links in the description. We absolutely killed it this week, especially with the earnings trades. We were 4 for 6 on the earnings plays this week, making an absolute killing. It was fun, and it's going to be fun next week, and it's going to be fun over the weekend talking about GameStop, crypto, and what the overall market has been doing. Go watch the video I uploaded earlier today at market open on COSM stock. It's a penny stock. Go check that out, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on this. I love you all, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and most importantly, get in the Discord. Let's talk together. God bless. I love you all. Spend time with some family. Spend time with God. Peace. I want to quickly give a huge shout out to all of the Discord members this week for killing it, and week in and week out we have been absolutely killing it in Discord. I also drop setups in the morning for trades on SPY, Nvidia, and Tesla, and sometimes some other tickers as well. So if you guys aren't in the Discord server, this would greatly help you. But let me show you all of the gains that we have made this week. Qualcomm up 154%, Meta up 55%. Shout out right here, a nice 8 grand profit, 7 grand profit, and then we have 180%, 200%. The list goes on and on. Discord members have been killing it. Not to mention, we have tons of alerts up here, like high success trade flow, breakout alerts, bullseye options, option sweeps, insider trades, dark pool activity, market news. The list goes on, and Stock Talk is the main tab where we talk stocks, but we also have a short squeeze channel, a charts only, crypto only. The list goes on and on. Guys, it is a great place to be. Make sure to pop in right now. That is the top link in the description of the video. I hope to see you there.